I'm Chef Mark McCrow, and this is My Home Kitchen.
Tonight, we're making it by hand. The most amazing fresh pastas on the menu. We got some beautiful broccoli, my favorite Italian sausages, copious amounts of garlic, and that freshly grated pecorino cheese. Forget about it. It's gonna be awesome, so stick with me. So let's dive on in. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a pasta called cortecci. It's gonna start with a 2-to-1 ratio of 00 flour to water. So I got a little builder's mug. We're gonna go 2 cups right to the top. And this is a strong, unbleached flour, lots of gluten, so our pasta is gonna be nice and al dente. So we got 2 flour, 1 part tepid water. We're just gonna make a well in the center. I'm gonna go in with a pinch of kosher salt, a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna get our water right on in. Now you just wanna mix this by hand, bring it together in a nice little dough, and then we're just gonna take it onto the board and start to knead it. So just bring your dough together in a nice little ball, activate that gluten. So it's gonna be nice and al dente when we're done cooking. At this point, we're gonna take it out onto our board and just give it a little bit of a knead. It's nice and elastic right now. So we just kinda wanna work it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, we got a nice smooth ball of dough. We're gonna go back in our bowl. And we're just gonna cover it with a nice clean dish towel. I'm gonna set that aside, let it rest for about 10-15 minutes so the gluten has a chance to relax so we can roll it out. So we gave our dough a chance to rest, and we're just gonna start picking out some little marble-sized pieces. Then literally, you take a piece of dough, roll it between your hands, get a nice little snake, and then on your board with your 3 fingers, push down and pull back. And what we get here, guys, is a perfect spot to suck up that sauce. All the olive oil, the pecorino, it's all gonna stick in there. So we're gonna keep on rolling some of these out. Perfect thing to do with your family, have a little bit of fun with it. And of course, you can do it with a linguine, an orecchiette, a fettuccine. But I mean, in a few minutes, we managed to bang out these handmade pastas, and you're gonna look like a star. Pasta looks amazing. Now let's get on to our sausages. We got some beauty Italian sausages from the Newfoundland Sausage Company. Boy, Will hooked us up. So we're gonna just go ahead and we're gonna take our knife and run lengthwise down each sausage. And we're just gonna take the sausages out of the casing, break them up in the pan and start to render them down. All right, sausage in. So you just wanna get in, break down those sausages. We're gonna let them ride on about a medium heat for about 4 or 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's get some garlic. We're gonna get about 8 or 9 cloves of garlic in there. Give them each a tap with the back of your knife. And we're just gonna do some little slices of garlic. Nice and thin. All right, we got our sausages. We're going in with our garlic. Beautiful slices, right on in our pan. Beautiful. Moving on, we're gonna go with 1 red chili. Just gonna slice it down the middle. And same thing as the garlic. Tucking our fingers, rocking our knife, getting some nice little pieces of red chili to toss in our pan. Get it in there. And we got a nice big pot of boiling water in the back. We're just gonna season that up. Nice big pinch of salt. You want it to taste like seawater. It's gonna season your pasta and make the whole dish taste that much better. All right, so our sausage, our garlic, our chilies are doing their thing. We got them on low enough. We're keeping an eye on them. We're moving on to our broccoli. My favorite part is the stem. So I'm just gonna cut away the stems. Gonna stand them upright. So with your knife, you just wanna go down with a rocking motion, just get that outer layer off. We're just gonna take our knife, cut these on a nice little diagonal. Now, for the florets, we're just gonna go in and start breaking them down in nice big chunks to start. Then we'll go back in, chop them up a little bit. They don't have to be perfect, just run your knife through them. Nice bite-sized pieces. We're gonna scoop all that up into a bowl. Now we can throw them right in the pan, but I think it's a good idea. We blanch them in our pasta water first, just to take away some of the rawness. We got it salted already. We're gonna dump them right on in. We're gonna pop a lid on that. Just give them a couple minutes to cook through. So just wanna check back on our sausages. They're starting to get golden brown. Our garlic's looking good. When the broccoli comes out, the pasta's going in, and we're gonna tie this whole thing together. So that's been about a minute on our broccoli. We're just gonna get a little spider, pull that out, and get it right into our sausage pan. And really, we're getting a 2-for-1 here. We got the broccoli flavored water, and we're gonna go in with our cortecci pasta. Just gonna get these off our platter. Right into our boiling salted water. So we'll put a lid back on those. Let them go just till they float. So it'll only take about a minute. Oh, and the smells right now. Oh, if you can only smell it. We got the garlic, the chili, the fennel in the sausages is coming through. All right, so while we're waiting for the pasta, we got some flat leaf parsley. It's gonna rip off a nice big bunch. Give it a real rough chop. We're gonna finish our pasta just to brighten it up. A little bit of parsley. That's it. All right, let's see what's going on in here. It's been about a minute. All right, pasta's boiling. They're starting to float to the top. Sausages are looking awesome. So I'm gonna go back in, fish these out into our other pan. Look at those, wow. So coming out, right over to our pan. To get a nice silky pasta, you wanna go in with some of that starchy pasta water. Let it cook down. It'll coat the noodles. We're gonna get a nice big knob of butter right into our pan. A little more red chili. So this is dried red chili flakes. We got some fresh in there. We're just gonna finish with a little bit more of this. So our water and our butter soak up into our pasta, create a nice little velvety sauce. Just gonna give it a little toss. Beautiful. All right, we're going in with the pecorino romano. Beautiful little strokes. And then for brightness, lemon zest. Same thing. Just gonna really wake up the flavors. Another level of flavor. And then a little bit of that fresh Italian flat leaf parsley. And we're ready to grab a platter and finish this thing off. All right, coming in hot. Look at that. The sauce is coating the noodles. We're gonna go ahead and just dump it out onto a nice big platter. Mound it up in the middle. Finishing touches. We're gonna revisit all those favorites. The pecorino cheese, another big hit of that. More fresh lemon zest. Just reiterating those flavors. I'm feeling more red chilies. So just a little sprinkle all around. We got more of that fresh, beautiful flat leaf parsley and a good lug of extra virgin olive oil just to freshen it all up. And that's it, guys. Come on in, have a look at this. We got the handmade sausages, handmade cortecci pasta, the garlic, the chili, the extra virgin olive oil, the pecorino cheese. So I'm gonna grab a bowl. Let's see what it's all about. I'm gonna get a little broccoli, little pasta, little sausage, and I'm going in. Wow. Perfectly seasoned. Little snakes rolling around, pecorino cheese, garlic, chili. Couldn't get any better. Man, oh man. Our theme tonight was handmade, with our handmade sausages from our boy Will at Newfoundland Sausage Company. That fresh cortecci pasta, dead simple to make. Anybody can do it at home. So that's it for tonight, guys. Check me out next time on My Home Kitchen.